Nyla. Aww. She looks confused. What's going on? You bastards. So now what?
You put on a face mask?
Maybe.
What's wrong with it? She likes to play. Like, she didn't move yet.
This could be seen as animal abuse, I think.
She's like that. Like, I like how she doesn't move. You know what she should do? You know, like that. Like when your mom coming out. Like she trying to grab the bag off the floor.
Nyla. When are you gonna come out? Nobody likes to watch a long video. So cute. Oh wait, she's gonna choke herself. Who's a superhero? It's Bad Cat. Look at her. Doesn't she look like a superhero? Bad Cat. Bad Cat. She probably hates me. Alright, Nyla, say bye.